today, checking out the dryer to check it out, and this is one of the problems that she was having is these type of transition hoses. You can use them for a dryer, but they're not very efficient for dryers. They're way too long. The installers have to curl them up like this. They crush really easy. There's a bunch of crush marks in it. And I mean, literally, it just crushes. They fill up with lint. They don't fit to the pipes properly, so they actually have to cut them to fit them over the pipes, or they actually have to crush the pipe to get it inside as well. So this is what we recommend. This is Dryer Flex. Dryer Flex is specifically designed for a dryer. It doesn't have any of the deep ridges in it like that one. It won't crush on you like that one. This one is really sturdy and it's really flexible. This has a flame resistance of 662 degrees, where that one is only heat rated to like 280, I think. And so it'll decay in a dryer fire, where this one will actually try to contain it. So if you need some good transition hose behind the dryer, Dryer Flex is what you need.